Here's how we make our extra easy oatmeal cookies. Pack these cookies with your favorite kind of dried fruits, nuts, and even chocolate. What makes these cookies so easy is melted butter. There's no mixer or beating of butter required. Since we are melting the butter anyway, let's turn it into nutty brown butter. This is an optional step, but it does add extra flavor to the cookies. To brown butter, swirl it in a wide pan over medium heat. As the butter cooks and swirls, the milk solids in the butter toast, which add a lovely nutty flavor and aroma. There, it's ready. Just set that aside to cool. For the dry ingredients, we need a cup of flour, a half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon fine salt, 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and if you have it on hand, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. For the wet ingredients, we need a half cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 whole egg, 1 egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and all of that butter from earlier. Now mix the dry ingredients into the wet. I do this in 3 parts and like to use a spatula like this one to do it so that the batter comes together nicely. Now add 1½ cups of rolled oats and any extras you love. I'm adding a ½ cup of raisins and chopped nuts. Now form the dough into balls and place onto a baking sheet. Just before baking, gently press each ball down a little to help them spread in the oven. Now bake the cookies in a 325-degree F oven until light golden brown around the edges. Remember, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. And that's it. Delicious oatmeal cookies that are super simple to make. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.